Okay, so we're back for another round of similar triangles. This time you're going to see one big huge triangle that's going to have a line parallel through it. Now, it can be in the middle, it can be up down at the bottom, it can be anywhere, but it's going to be parallel to, see if I got, yeah, to one of the sides. It can be up and down, it's just got to be parallel to a side somewhere. So when that happens, you end up with two triangles. That's not three because that is not a triangle. That is a trapezoid. All right, so we're only going to get two. The little one on top, and then the whole entire thing is one big one. So you'll have to know how to separate them and make two separate triangles. And then do the small compared to large like we did the other day. Or did today. So, here's how it works. Why does it match that way? Well, they both, if you look at the small and the large, they both have A. Okay, even the great big one has angle A, D, E. All right, so that's that. So that angle is in common. And then, if these are parallel, what do we call these? Corresponding. Oh yeah, that mess. Yeah, there's some more corresponding there. So you got all equal angles, so yes, they are similar when that line is parallel. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to separate it. The little one, pull it off to the side, redraw it. I want to see on just some notebook paper where you redrew it and don't just try to guess it off the top of your head. And then the big one, redraw it as well and put your numbers around it. So, we're missing this side right here between B and C, but how long would AD measure? Let's start with AD. You'd add up those pieces, wouldn't you? 6 plus 4 is 10. That side would be 10, but over here, to add, it's just going to be X added to 4.5, and that's where the problem starts, right? That kind of thing. And we didn't have anything on the bottom. I needed to put something. I could have put Y, side Y, and side Y. So, all right, get ready. So, let's see what you can do. I've got them drawn for you separate. I think yours might be both below, but go fill in the numbers going around the edge. Stop the video for a second and try it. Fill in what you know. On the little one, the small, you're going to have X and Y. Look at it. You can see it right there. All right, and on the big one, the whole bottom, don't forget, and 20. Now, don't just ignore it and go on to the next thing. Go back and look. What's happening right here? X and 45 adding up to be 50. That's a little segment addition postulate. Oh, my word, that stuff is back again. Segment addition postulate. Little piece plus a little piece equal to big. So what's this X going to be? 5. Easy, easy, right? All right, so then, what about Y? So if we got 5 down here at the bottom, 5 from the small goes with 50 from the large, equal to another set. Y from the small goes with 20 from the large. I bet some of you can probably already do this in your head, but if not, cross multiply. And you end up with Y equal to 2. Okay? Next, get a little trick here. I don't know if this is going to be on your test. We're in COVID days. It's just a nightmare. All right, so separate them. Let's see. Separate. Yeah. Okay. Put in your small. Put in your large. Small's got 6 and 5. Large, a little trickier. Take your time. What's this whole thing on top? The large is not just starting in the middle. The large is the whole entire thing. 6 plus X plus 2. Can't you do something with that? 6 plus X plus 2. Yeah. 8 plus X or X plus 8. Doesn't matter which one you put in front, but it makes sure it's going to be an 8. On the bottom, we just got 5 plus X. Okay? So, what do we do to work it? Set it up small and large. 6 from the small goes with 8 plus x from the large. Equal to 5 from the small goes with 5 plus x from the large. Remember, it's a group. Adding or subtracting in a fraction makes that bottom number a group because it's got adding. You can't just say 5 times 8. It's 5 times the group. So 5 times the group. And 6 times its group. So it's got to be distributed on both sides. So 5 and 9, remember, distributed, both of them, 40 plus 5x equal to 30 plus 6x. Get your x's together first, okay? Minus 5x, minus 5x. Gonna leave you 1x over here. And then move your 30, minus 30 equal to 10. So x is 10 in this case. Okay? I had a y at one time on there, but I took it off. We just don't worry about that. Alright, here's your ACD question again. At a certain time of day, here's the sun, there's the tree with the shadow, and this woman is out here walking, and she's got right to the edge of it, like that, where the very tip top of her head is just barely touching to the shadow, and she doesn't want to get out in the heat. Alright, do you see how this is a small triangle that she is making right there? She is 6 feet tall. She got her heels on. Alright, and the stands 2.5 feet inside of the shadow. So let's talk about right there. Notice how I'm redrawing the triangles. The tree, the big one, is what we're looking for, the height, and then the tree has a 10.8 foot shadow. Now you're ready to set it up, small over large. 6 over x equal to 2.5 over 10.8, and you end up with 25.92 for the height of the tree. See, different tree. All right,